when the way you look and all. But then considering the industry has already such beautiful and fit actresses and actors, what about you? When you entered the industry, did you have anything like that inferiority complex about the way you look or maybe the way you were in terms of fitness?
If I did, I wouldn't be here. If I did, I wouldn't be here. That is the one thing that can make you or break you. How you think of yourself or how you see yourself rather than how you see others. I've always loved myself, even when I was overweight. If I don't love myself, how are other people going to love me?
She said that. And according to me, I have always seen Abbas with Shahid. So how were you introduced to him?
While shooting R. Rajkumar, I would see them training and I would be lazy as always. I would be like, oh, thak gaye and let's go. And my room was just outside the gym, just a few steps away from the gym. And every time I would cross, I would see these two in the gym and I'd be like, what's my excuse? So that's where I met Abbas, and I think that's why I started training a little bit with him. And I enjoyed what he was making me do over there, you know, like with terms of the exercises and stuff. So that's how I guess we started working out.
Did Shahid do any sort of convincing regarding, Abbas in your case, that you have to really train with him or something?
He didn't really need to, because Abbas is so good at what he does. And when you're good at what you do, I don't think you need other people to convince you.
सोनाक्षी, बॉलीवुड में कई सारी एक्ट्रेस सुंदर दिखने के लिए सर्जरी का सहारा लेती हैं, तो आप इस बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगी सर्जरी के बारे में, और आप क्या सोचती हैं?
टू ईच इज ओन, जिनको सही लगता है वो कर सकते हैं. मैं नहीं करना चाहूँगी क्योंकि थैंकफुली मैं खुश हूँ जो भगवान ने मुझे दिया है. एंड आई थिंक रादर देन गोइंग अंडर द नाइफ, देयर आर नेचुरल वेज ऑफ एनहांसिंग योर लुक्स एज वेल.
टैगलाइन है कि फिट इज द न्यू सेक्सी. तो सेक्सी दिखना कितना पसंद करती हैं सोनाक्षी?
Fit was always sexy. I think not new. I think being fit is very important, especially आज के day and age में, जब there's so much stress, there's so much junk food, there's so many factors that promote being non-fit. So I think it's very important to be fit, and I think fit is automatically sexy.
And your star power is very well in Bollywood industry. So do you think कि आपके स्टार पावर से आपके डैडी को इलेक्शन में सपोर्ट मिलने वाला है?
अरे मुझसे बड़ा स्टार पावर उनका है, उनको जरूरत नहीं है मेरी वहाँ पे. As a daughter, as a family member, of course I will always support him. But I think people should not expect this from me when my own father does not expect it from me. वो बहुत खुश है वहाँ पर, and he knows that I've got my commitments over here, and मैं वहाँ पर नहीं जा सकती. So I don't think people should expect it from me when my own father doesn't.
सोनाक्षी, जब भी साउथ की रीमेक बनती है उसमें आप अक्सर दिखाई देती हैं, लेकिन अभी हाल ही में खबर आई थी कि तमिल की एक मूवी जो आपको ऑफर की गई थी जिसमें रजनीकांत भी हैं, तो वो आपने मना कर दी है करने से.
नहीं, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. मैं भी किसी ने कल मुझे पूछा था ये, बट मुझे साउथ के ऑफर्स आते हैं, बट आई एम नॉट एबल टू डू देम बिकॉज आई एम वेरी बिजी ओवर हियर विथ माई हिंदी फिल्म्स. But I would definitely like to do something in the south. I mean, I've been getting some really good offers, which I feel unfortunate about not being able to do. But अगर कोई अच्छी फिल्म आए तो ज़रूर करना चाहूँगी.
सोनाक्षी, जैसे कि आपने कहा आप काफ़ी फूडी हैं, तो इस मैगजीन के लिए आपको जब फोटोशूट कराना था, कितना आपने अपनी खाने पे कंट्रोल किया, कितना ज़्यादा स्ट्रगल करना पड़ा आपको?
मैं शायद ये शूट के दिन पोटैटो चिप्स खा रही थी, शूट जब हो रहा था. तो जैसा कि मैंने कहा, आई डोंट बिलीव इन स्टॉपिंग योरसेल्फ फ्रॉम एनीथिंग, क्योंकि हम बहुत हार्ड वर्क करते हैं. एंड अगर मैंने वो दिन चिप्स खाए होंगे तो मैं घर जाके ट्रेडमिल पे भागी भी होंगी उसके बाद.
And let me tell you, I heard from the team that she was active through the day. You stood all day. She didn't sit down, and she was really, really, really supportive. Thank you.
On a positive note.
Yes. मतलब you say something negative.
Yeah. So we are just quite enchanted with your avatar on the magazine cover page, and since you are obsessed with the fitness like right now, so are we just going to see you in the bikini? Are you going to don bikini like your counterparts?
My answer is the same as what it was 3 years back. You remember what it was? But पढ़ा तो होगा ना कहीं पे.
It's part of business these days. It's part of business these days.
My business is going very good, touch wood. With my clothes on.
खूबसूरती की आपकी फिटनेस की बात हो गई, क्रिकेट की बात करते हैं.
मैं क्रिकेट नहीं देखती.
सच्ची में सेमीफाइनल में
बट मैं नहीं देखती हूँ. चलो फोटो हो जाए. Thank you.
Wait.
Thank you, Sonakshi. You make this event a great success. And look at that cover. I'm hoping that it will sell and sell and sell.
Thank you.
And I hope you do really well in all your new blockbusters.
Thanks a lot. Fruit basket.
Wow, that's healthy.
Healthy fruit basket. That's for you.
No, we're gonna eat this in the car.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I think they'll need some bites and
अरे एक क्यों? 100 ले लो. 100 नीचे एक ही चीज.